The situation is not good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see again, I know, because YouTube is really sucking these days and not giving any views, so I'm just not wasting my time here. But today I'm here. I thought we are all in quarantine and lockdown, so I thought let's just do a skincare sesh with you guys. And yeah, I'm shooting in the ring light because I know the lighting is a little different than what I actually use because it's raining like cats and dogs right now, so I have to use an artificial light, but I kept it as natural as I can, so do not worry. So I have been doing this ritual on my own for quite some time in my house, and now I have, and this is the brand called Amrutam. So they were really kind to send me some PR, and I have been trying this for like couple of weeks, like almost like 15 days I have been trying this, and I have my review ready. So I thought let's just do a spa session together and also give you guys the information. First of all, I want to show you guys the beautiful bag that they sent me. It's so pretty, and see, this has this magnetic locks and stuff. I just thought it's a very beautiful gift. So there are two products that we are going to test and see how it works. So this is how my hair is looking right now. Extremely dry, and just how my hair naturally is. So my hair is oily here and extremely dry here. You can see the frizz. So that is it. And for my skin, I just zoomed you guys in. So this is what has been going on. The situation is not good, so we are going to take care of it today. So first I'm going to use the face mask. So this is the face mask. This is the Amrutam charcoal face mask. Deep cleanses your impurities and gives you youthful glow. So these impurities I want to get rid of. The only thing that I do not like is they have key ingredients mentioned and not the entire ingredient list. So again, for a natural brand and an Ayurvedic medicinal brand, I don't see why will you put only key ingredients here. That's a big no-no for me, because then I'll start developing trust issues with you. So that is what happened here. I'll just tell you what it says. It says that you have to obviously store it in a dry and cool place. Shake well before use. Yes, I have seen this. It does separate, like a water liquid separates from the product, but which happens with most of the Ayurvedic and natural products, so I don't really mind that. So yeah, if you shake it well, it's done. It is 100% therapeutic and natural. Therapeutic, yes, it does make your skin so cool, and it is amazingly calming. And also the charcoal effectively cleanses the skin, unclogs the pores, removes deeper impurities and dead skin cells. The result is smooth, supple, even toned skin. Herbs like manjishta mixed with multani mitti and charcoal clears the dirt, toxins, heavy metals, chemicals, guava, chironji and marich. I don't know what that is. So for application, you have to apply it just like a face mask. Keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then gently massage in a circular motion to exfoliate the skin and rinse it off. Obviously you have to put water first before doing that. And yeah, you have to apply this like 2 to 3 times a week, which I try to do. It retails for rupees 1100, which is expensive, but if it works, it works, I guess, you know. Oh, it smells so good. I don't know, somehow I really like this smell. Some people might not. This is how the mask looks like. You can see I already have like almost used half of it. So now you can see it properly. I have used almost like more than half of it. God, that's a lot of it. So that is how much I like it. And again, it comes in a glass jar, a simple, very normal, eco-friendly packaging. And the next product will be the star of the show. It's the Kuntal Care Hair Spa. This is do-it-yourself hair treatment. It has triphala and eucalyptus oil and a lot of other things also. Again, I'll mention the ingredient list there. And once again, only key ingredient which I do not like. So the general instruction for this says that you will have a tingling and a itching sensation on your scalp once you apply it, which is true because it has a lot of like different things, and it definitely calms the scalp down, so you get a little bit of sensation out of it, which I did not mind. Tingling effects happens because of the oil releasing excess heat and toxins from your scalp. The recipe is completely natural and the color of the recipe may change over the period of time. However, the product remains the same. That's me. So again, I just shaked it so you can't see how much I've used it, but I have used like almost like here till here. So this is how the color of the product is. It highly smells of henna, like mehendi, and I do like the smell. And again, this one you can keep for 30 to 40 minutes or overnight, though I do not use it overnight because I tend to have like catch cold, and this also makes the hair hard. Like when you apply henna or something like that to your hair, you know how hard your hair feels, so it does that. So I don't keep it overnight. Now that you enjoyed my misery, let's get into the application. So I went to wash my face, then wasted 30 minutes in finding my brush that I used to apply face mask with. I could not find it. So now I'm going to use this little tiny brush. I love how this one smells. So I'm done with my face mask, and now I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes, I want to say. And while it is setting, I'm also going to apply the hair oil or the hair spa. So as you can see, it's very slimy. It's not like a oil, it's almost like a slime. So I don't really like section my hair or anything. I just take it on my fingertips and just start doing this. I mainly concentrate it first on my roots. So after you're done, just put your hair in a bun like this. Use a clip, not a scrunchie like I did, but I cannot find my clip. So now I'll let my mask sit and then go and take a shower and come back and show you my face and my hair. So here I am after washing my hair, air drying it completely. This feels really soft and shiny. Definitely looks really healthy, and I do think it does take care of the hair and make it really soft. I love how my hair smells after I wash it with this one, and think it makes the hair so soft and darker. Somehow my hair looks darker. I don't know if just I'm saying it, but you guys tell me. So that was it for you guys. I hope you guys liked these brands. I really like the two products that I tried from them, and I will definitely go ahead and repurchase when I get over with these. Tell me how you guys liked it, and I was thinking about doing some cooking videos, so I might be uploading a good cooking video for you guys in a day or two. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.